let's take up on easy to use voice changer in Windows 11. Hello everyone and let's get started. So there is this application that you can use on your Windows 11 23H2 to use for the voice changer. The application is known as Ease Us Voice Wave. You can easily install it via the browser and here are two ways to use it. You can either use the file mode or you can record it on the mode as well. Here are different type of features of the application that you can use. Some of them are Voice Laboratory, the next one is Soundboard. Similarly, you also have the quick settings. From the Sound Laboratory, you can use the different features such as personality, quick voice changer, robot voice and much more. You can also change the vocal thickness, the pitch, the voice, volume as well as the custom voice. Similarly, you can reset the voice as per you wish. You can get free access to different kinds of voice as per you wish, but for some of the voice or additional, you can also switch to the professional mode. This is a premium chip that you can take as well. So this were some of the features that you can use through this application or the voice changer. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.